Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this spring twist look, and I will be doing this hairstyle on my sister. I will be showing you guys how I start my spring twist and all the products that I will be using. I also will be linking them in the description below. To make the process a lot easier and for it to flow well, I like to start off by parting each row and also sectioning each part that I will be twisting up. And by doing that, you can add a little hair jam and twist up each section. So I start my spring twist off different every time I do them. But here I will be showing you guys how I start it off as a braid. I braid it down about 4 times and I split the hair into 2, then start twisting. I try not to alter the curl pattern, so I split the hair, leaving the curl pattern intact. If you're not sure what I mean, just watch closely.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hit that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Let's get trying to keep the pace. Just one more block until I meet in place. I got someone, but we ain't been okay. Is it really cheating if it's only for the weekend? Tell me if I'm tweaking, girl, cause we ain't even speaking, girl. Both of us be cheating, so why we still be linking? So tell me what you thinking, girl, and I'll see you this weekend. Let's get secret, sleeping all the weekend, sleeping till the evening. I don't like you leaving. Let's get secret, dying just to keep it, dying for no reason, sleeping on the weekend. Let's get secret, sleeping all the weekend, sleeping till the evening. I don't like you leaving. Let's get secret, dying just to keep it, dying for no reason, sleeping on the weekend. Let's get secret, sleeping all the weekend, sleeping till the evening. I don't like it leaving. Let's get secret, dying just to keep it, dying for no reason, sleeping on the weekend. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also turn on your notifications so you will know every time that I post a new video. Until next time.